Earth as old as 4.5 billion years. Initially, the temperature will be 6,000 degrees centigrades. That's the temperature of the surface of the sun also. So we assume that Earth's initial temperature will be 6,000. So Earth is in the gaseous state, incandescent mass, molten condition. नहीं ऐसा होगा, like a fireball. But then it started cooling down. And when it will cool down, the top layer will be the crust. Have you seen the egg? एग का ऊपर क्या है? क्रस्ट है उसका. उसमें जो वाइट पार्ट है वो मैंटल है और जो येलो पार्ट है वो कोर है. अर्थ भी बिल्कुल एग की तरह है. इवन एग की तरह ऊपर फ्लैट भी है. समझा? तो अर्थ का शेप एग है. ब्रह्मांड का शेप क्या है? यूनिवर्स का शेप क्या है? एग. अरे ब्रह्मांड, ब्रह्म अंड, ब्रह्म मीनिंग एनर्जी. एग शेप्ड एनर्जी का वो फॉर्म होता है. जो कॉस्मिक फॉर्म है किसी भी चीज का वो क्या है? वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो एग शेप्ड हो सकता है. तो ये देखो, ये तुम्हारा क्रस्ट है. अब देखो, तो हीट विल बी ट्रैप्ड इनसाइड or not. This part has cooled down, but heat has been trapped inside. And the heat is also being generated inside the core. So this temperature will be intermolecular energy. समझते हो? नहीं समझते हो. फ्यूजन फिजन रिएक्शन समझते हो? वही है इंटरमोलिकुलर एनर्जी. तो अर्थ के कोर में यू हैव रिलीज ऑफ इंटरमोलिकुलर एनर्जी. We have nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is different from radioactive energy, is different from intermolecular energy. So Earth's core will have two different set of energy. A, intermolecular energy, that's fusion and fission reaction. समझा? When two lighter elements collide to form heavier element, that's called fusion. Like two hydrogen will collide to form helium happening on the sun. That is called fusion. This is how sun has energy. Fission क्या होता है? When the heavier molecules will break down, split apart. So the energy which was bonding them, that energy will be freed, liberated, and that energy will be released. So with fusion and fission both, and both processes are going on in the earth. Sun has only fusion, but earth will have fission and fusion both. याद रखना ये सब चीज, छोटी छोटी बातें. इवन इफ एनीवन इज टेलिंग यू, कोई भी विद्वान तुमको लगे टेलिंग यू दैट नो नो अर्थ ऑल्सो विल हैव वन, रॉन्ग. अर्थ इज हैविंग बोथ, सन इज हैविंग वन. दिस वेयर साइंस स्टैंड टुडे. ओके, सो यू हैव दिस mass of energy is growing or not. So what will have? The crust will have catastrophic blast. Blast हो गया crust में. And crust will develop craters. The whole earth will have number of craters. Have you seen the surface of the moon? What they have? Craters. Most of them are because of meteoric hit also. The craters can be created by hit of meteors. So moon's craters are mostly because of, they are not volcanoes, they are meteoric hit. But the craters which are found over Jupiter or Saturn or others, they have the similar process as for your earth. They are volcanic craters. But our craters can be created by two mechanisms. A, volcanic. B, meteoric hit. समझा? तो अर्थ का जो इनिशियल स्टेज है उसमें यू हैव वल्कनिज्म, कोई meteoric hit से नहीं है. So you have these gases coming out. What comes out from volcanic eruption? 50 to 60% will be vapor, water vapor. When the gases are coming from the earth or volcano, 65% gases are water vapor. समझा? वल्केनो से सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा गैस निकलता है? वाटर वेपर निकलता है. कितना? 60-65% तक वाटर वेपर होता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नहीं होता है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड नहीं होता है, सल्फ्यूरिक गैस नहीं होता है, वाटर वेपर होता है. अब देखो, so when the water vapor came out, Earth's gravity will hold them. and water vapor will form clouds. After cooling down, it will form adiabatic lapse rate. कुछ सुना है? हाँ, तो ऊपर जाके सब adiabatic cooling हो जाएगा और clouds will be formed. What the clouds will do? They will rain, and the rain will be accommodated in the craters. Now water has a special ability to erode. Nahin? So one crater is going to converge with another crater, and this is how the oceans will be formed. But this ocean will be deep ocean or shallow ocean. Shallow ocean. Crater deep थोड़ी होता है. So the first ocean was shallow or deep? Shallow. How the first ocean came into being? Which process? Volcanism. उसको बोलते हैं टेक्टोवल्कैनिक पीरियड. Now listen, the whole earth was under water. पूरा पानी में चला गया. There was land in the initial stage? Yes or no? No, there was no land, there was no continent. So Earth's history begins with a fireball converted into a water ball. It's a watery planet in the beginning. There was no life, nothing, कुछ नहीं था.